Okay, so I'm talking about Photowerks, which is my app for organizing photos based on metadata captured within each photo, so date, location, etc. So when you launch the app, basically the app already has parsed all your photo data and is grouping everything by date. So I can scroll and see the various dates. If I want to get into a detail of an app, it shows basically the date, location. I can also just browse like this. I can tap to see more location data. You can go back. So you can also view your items as a list. So here I can quickly navigate using the index of all the dates of my photos. Go and view a photo. View some more. One feature I want to talk about today is a new feature I'm introducing in version 1.1, which is a Smart Album feature. Smart Album is basically a way to define a set of criteria that will then automatically create an album for you based on that criteria. So I've already set up a couple albums. Recently went to Greece, for example, so if I click that, you can see here's all my Greece photos back in July, and I can also view as a grid. Go and tap in, actually view a photo. Here's some ruins of an old archaeological site. This was in South Aegean. So let's create a new Smart Album. This one, I'm from New Mexico, so I want to create an album that relates to the Southwest. So just create the album name. We want to match any of the following attributes. So in this case, I want to say the state is Arizona. Add another one. State is Colorado. Let's just keep going here. State is really thinking the Four Corners region here, New Mexico. And state is finally Utah. Hit save. The album's created. I tap it. And then here's all my photos from the Southwest that are on my device. I can prove that by taking that album and then sorting by state. So you see Utah, New Mexico, a lot of New Mexico, Colorado, and Arizona. Now one thing that's cool about albums, now that we have this Smart Album feature, is Apple doesn't currently allow you to programmatically create photo streams, but we can use the Smart Album as sort of a shortcut to create a photo stream. So for example, if I go into my Southwest album, I want to share, and then here at the bottom I can select all the photos, and I hit done, groups them together, gives me an option to create a new album. Your album will be created in the Photos app, so I'll call this one SW just for short. Hit OK. So right now, Photowerks just created a new album in the Apple Photos app called SW. So if I navigate over to the Photos app, you see my SW album, and it's currently being populated with all the photos that were in that Smart Album from Photowerks. So what I want to do is create a photo stream with all my Southwest photos. So I'll just go to Photo Streams, create a new, I'll just call this one Southwest photo stream, create it. I go into my photo stream and edit, and I want to add pictures. So I'm just going to select my Southwest album, and let's just for now select a few photos. Hit done. So now there is my Southwest photo stream. So I can now share that with other people if I wanted to. So that's basically a summary of the new features in version 1.1.